Bravo. My husband is cutting the grass, as you can see. Let me see if I can zoom it in. Hey! 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 Walkman! Now! Bravo! Mama! Wow, that machine is so active, oh. So active. Well done, oh. Well done. He has gone a bit foul, and he still have all this place to work on. Cosa? Grazie. This is what I've been craving, and that's what I'm going to be having. I've been craving a chicken and mixed vegetable sauce. So in here I have a combination of cucumber, red bell pepper, green, and the yellow bell pepper. This is carrot. I have corn, curry powder, and my chicken is already cooked. Okay, my food is ready and I'm about to devour this now because I'm so hungry. Come and join me, or if you want to. Hey you guys, my order just arrived now from Amazon. As you can see there, Amazon UK. So I don't know what is inside yet because I ordered some things from Amazon. I think on Thursday. Yeah. No, Wednesday night, and today is Friday morning. So their delivery is so fast, and I just love that. I ordered some duvet, cover, comforter, you know, all of that stuff for my bed. So I don't know which one I have here yet. I guess it's the fitted sheet. This one should be the fitted sheet, but this one I don't know yet. This is my first order. Well, this is not my first order here because I've ordered something else, but that one is yet to arrive from Wish, but this one is from Amazon. This one came first. You see, that's why I love ordering from Amazon, even though their stuffs are a bit pricier than Wish and the AliExpress. So I'm going to open this and see what I have inside. Hold on, guys. Okay guys, so this is what I have in the boxes. This is the one that was in the white nylon, so I thought as much. This is the fitted sheet for my bed, and these ones are for my kids' bed. This is just a foam protector. I also have it here, something like this. Yeah, this, you see the color of my foam, so I put this. It's just the same thing with this, but this is for my kids' bed, the size of their bed. This thing is just to protect my foam. Like I said, I ordered some other things, but they are yet to arrive. Some are yet to arrive on Monday, and I guess some are still on their way arriving today. I'm not sure, but let's see. So guys, I'm about to make some plantain porridge. I'm going to be using a mixture of ripe and unripe plantain. This is how we love it. We like to mix it together. Some people like to use only the unripe one, but here we enjoy it with the both of them. And also I like to add mackerel, so I'm going to go downstairs now to bring my mackerel. So for now, our deep freezer is still in the garage. We've not figured out where to place it here yet, so I'm going to go downstairs now to bring the mackerel and make my plantain. I love plantain porridge so much, and I have some spinach here. Yeah, I'm going to be adding some spinach as my vegetable. What else do I need here? Okay, I'm going to be adding some fresh tomatoes. I have my fresh tomatoes here. I'll be adding 1 red bell pepper. Just 2 fresh tomatoes and 1 red bell pepper is okay for me. And then I will season it with salt, seasoning cube, pepper. I don't know if I should use fresh pepper or Cameroon pepper. This is fresh pepper. That is habanero pepper or Scotch bonnet. Should I use it or Cameroon? I'm kind of confused now. I want the one that will give me nice aroma. This is the Cameroon pepper I was talking about. I don't know. Let me go down first and bring my mackerel. Then when I come upstairs, I'll choose which one I want. Let's go. You see the stairs I was talking about that I swept? You guys can see how shiny it looks. I don't know if you can see. Like, I took my time. Even this foot mat too was too dirty. This is the entrance, and this foot mat was too dirty and dusty, but now it's looking a bit better. This garage, it's not bad. So this is the only thing that brought me here. Nothing much. I don't need frozen spinach. I would have taken it. Let me think well, oh. I don't want to come twice. This is what I came to take. Here is my bicycle, and that's his own over there, his own bicycle. When I came newly here and I saw people riding bicycle, I was like, do they ride bicycle here? I thought it's only in my village in Nigeria that they ride bicycle. I don't know that people actually ride bicycle in Obodo Ibo. My goodness. Let me go up, please. I don't even want to start with that one now. Okay guys, so how I easily cut my unripe plantain, because this one is harder than the ripe one. So how I easily cut it, and by the way, I already washed it. So I just cut it into small pieces like so. Cut off the ends, the two ends, you can see. And then this is how small I cut them. Then I just use a knife to cut across like so, and cut this side as well, and peel. It's that simple. As you can see, you see. You see, it's that simple. That's how I cut it. As you can see, I have only this one left, so I'm going to repeat the same step with the rest. My food is ready, guys, almost ready. I'm going to stir it and turn off the heat immediately. If you want a detailed recipe on how to make plantain porridge, I will be leaving the link in the description box below. I already have a video on how to make this. I have 2 videos actually. So I'm going to leave the 2 links in the description so you can go and check them out. This is super healthy, simple and delicious meal. So I'm going to turn off the heat. It's done. I'm sorry about the color, guys. It's night already, so you can't be able to see the color really well. I'm yet to change this bulb too. it's yellow, so that's why it's looking like this. So our dinner is ready. This is our dinner. I'm going to quickly wash these dishes here and I'm done for the day. Dishwashing never ends. Like in this house, it doesn't end. So I do dishes almost every how many hours? I will not say almost every day because that one is a must. Dish is done and I'm happy now. Whenever it looks like this, I feel so happy. So I'm going to be waiting for it to fill up again because washing dishes never ends in this house. Okay guys, you want to go with? I'm going to be ending today's vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are going to eat now and do our normal nighttime routine and go to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Ciao.